Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today let's make short goddess braid for my first time client. So this woman came in, she said she wants to make her hair, so we discussed prices and everything. So at the end of the day we start off by prepping our attachments, and then we start our hair. So I've done half of the hair off camera, so I decided to come show you from the middle parts. So guys, if this is your first time of coming across my channel, you're very much welcome. Please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you at the end of the video. I hope you like this hairstyle because my clients like her hair. Her hair is so beautiful. Watch till the end and you see the outcome of this hair. It's very simple and anybody can make this hair. Even children can make this hairstyle. So guys, enjoy. So guys, at this point we are done with the braiding, and we use a flexible rod to make the coils, and this is the final look of the hairstyle. So if you have not liked this video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on my next one. You can see how neat the hairs, how clean the patterns are. I hope you find this video interesting. If you do, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you on my next one.